Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can trim and add video in Viva Cut or VivaVideo. So if you are looking for a simple and fast way to trim and also add videos using VivaVideo, through this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how you can edit videos effortlessly, whether you are a beginner or an experienced editor. So first, let's just launch the VivaVideo applications. If you haven't or if you are not having this app yet on your phone, you can just download it through Play Store or App Store. After that, you can just open the applications. So first, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple video clips. You can tap on new project and then select your videos. So here I'm going to, let's say, add 3 to 4 videos to my timeline. Okay, after that you can just tap on next. Okay, so after you click on next, the editor page will be open, and in here you can see I've added 3 videos easily to VivaVideo. After that, I'm going to show you how you can trimming clips precisely for clean and professional edits. So let's say I want to trim this clips right here. So this one has 4 seconds long or duration, so I'm going to trim it into 2 seconds. So you can choose between the start or the end of the video which part that you want to trim. Let's say I want to trim the beginning of the video, so you can just drag this white or this edge into the desired duration. You can see now it's become 2 seconds. And if you want to trim the end, you can just again click on a clip and then just drag the end like this. Okay, so if you want to split, it's different. So you can just tap on the clip and go to where you want to split the clip, and here you can see the split button. Just click on that and you can delete the part that you don't need. Click on it and tap on this trash icon. So now the video has been trimmed and also splitted. And that's pretty much all. Next, you can just add transition effects and anything you need on the clip. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.